Hey guys, Kevin's here. Will my truck insurance get cheaper after 1 year in business? That's the question that every new venture trucker is asking their agent, especially if they got into business in the past 12 months, because everybody has feedback from their cousin or friend, somebody they know that is paying $8,000, $10,000 per truck per year, and they are the ones paying 20, 25, $30,000 per truck because of that new venture status, because that's what they were told by their agent. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what impacts that renewal price, and can you expect a price decrease upon renewal. So some of the factors, and one of the important factors, is your driving history. MBRs, your violations, moving violations, accidents. Every insurance company looks back, the last 3 years, and any type of moving violation or at-fault accident, unfortunately, will have a negative impact for that renewal pricing. The second important thing is your payment history. If you're always delinquent and past due and late on those monthly payments, expect that the insurance company you're with will probably increase and nudge that pricing higher. So do yourselves a favor, make sure those payments are on time, because it will help to get that better rate upon renewal. Number three is the commodities that you are delivering. And when I say commodities, it's a reflection of your MCS 150 that you filed with FMCSA when you applied for your MC number. And you'd be surprised how many truckers make this mistake over and over again, where they're just checking multiple commodities, because when they're getting into this business, they're just not sure what exactly they're going to be delivering. So when the insurance company looks at their FMCSA record, they see general freight, car hauling, produce, refrigerated goods, sand and gravel, intermodular containers. So when it's that alphabet soup of commodities, your insurance will go up, because the insurance company, when they see those multiple things, they'll just say, well, car hauling is more expensive, so we're going to add surcharge to the premium. Refrigerated goods more expensive, so we'll add that. Intermodular containers. So again, make sure it's cleaned up. Make sure before renewal that you're only, if you're only doing general freight, then just list general freight. And if you're a car hauler, then yes, you just leave car hauling, but don't just have multiple boxes, because that's just gonna confuse the insurance company. And in some cases, you will probably even get a decline, because not all insurance companies insure car haulers or intermodular containers. So again, that is important. And one of the most important factors when it comes up for your insurance going up or down upon renewal is your operating history. So those DOT inspections that you had through the year, and the ones that you think like, oh well, my ELD was not plugged in properly, so they dinged me for that. Not a big deal. Unfortunately, it is a big deal. If insurance company sees multiple violations for the driver or for the vehicle, they will ding you for that, and that's gonna increase your premium substantially. And in some cases, I've seen where after 1 year in business, the premiums going up 20, 30%. And in the worst case scenarios, truckers getting non-renewal notices because of those multiple violations. So again, please do yourselves a favor. Make sure that, once you get on the road, that you're in compliance when it comes to all the paperwork that needs to be kept in the truck, because that's what the driver inspections are for. And make sure that, the truck's maintenance is up to date, that, the turn signals, that everything's working, because that's where the DOT inspectors can ding you. And those violations stay on your record up to 24 months. So it's a rolling 24 months, and after those will fall off. But again, if you get a new ding, new violation, it's just gonna make things bad. And that's, like I said, and even if you had owner operators that were leased onto your authority and they're no longer with your company, the excuse we hear multiple times is that like, oh yeah, it was John, he's no longer running for me. I fired him because he had no clue what he was doing. Unfortunately, John's mistakes are sticking to your MC number and will stay there for 24 months. So those are the key factors, and the chances are, if you have everything clean, driving record, your MBR, your MCS 150 has been completed correctly, payments on time, no violations, is that yes, you will see the truck insurance renewal prices decline, and you will see some savings, and gradually, year after year, as long as you're maintaining good scores, you will be able to save more on your truck insurance. And that's all I have for today. Please stay tuned. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.